Hey, how's it going, people of the internet? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Pumping out the content right now, and thought I would bring you another video in regards to some Black Friday stuff, some deals going on, and something I thought that was also pretty humorous on Amazon when it comes to Apple. So I know all of you Android fans out there love roasting Apple, and I do too, even though I'm using an iPhone currently.
Spank my planet.
Anyway, yeah, I thought I'd show you a deal going on the Pixel 7a. Just go over high level overview of like the specifications, just that, and we'll go from there. So I haven't talked about this device too much on my channel. I kind of wish I did. I talked about the Pixel 6a extensively and the Pixel 7, and the 7a came out a couple months back before the Pixel 8. Really good like value phone. So let me share my screen and I'll just show you what I'm talking about. Before we talk about this phone, if you go on Amazon, you search iPhone. Oh, it's not working. Oh man. Anyway, I thought that would work. The funny thing was when I searched, if I go back one page, yeah, there's this glitch going on this page right here. Like I searched iPhone, it came up with a sponsored iPhone ad for Boost Mobile. Remember, this is like just a sponsored ad. It's not just like on this page normally. It was just coming up with all Android discounts, basically saying like, yeah, Apple doesn't, because I think right now how the Amazon algorithm works is like whatever you search, it's gonna promote the items that have the biggest Black Friday deals going on. And as you can see, Apple doesn't really ever offer discounts on their phones, hardly ever, because they believe in premium quality, right? No discounts. Discounts mean it's cheap. But anyway, I thought that was funny. But if I go back, jump into the Pixel 7a right here. So we have a 25% discount going on, normally $500. Now it's on sale for around $370, $374, $375. And this is for all colors too. This came in like white and then gray and then also this like bluish, I forget the name of it, but it's like this like bluish like sea color. It's literally called C. Wow, I was right. But yeah, like the Pixel 7a, like what do I like about it? What do I not like about it? It's Google software and I've used that pretty extensively, not like insane amount, but yeah, I mean, like it's bare bones. It has cool AI features when it comes to call screening and that sort of thing. So a lot of customization going on. You'll get the updates as soon as they roll out, and that sort of thing. Like day one when they come out with an Android update, like Android 14 or something, you're gonna be getting it before all the other Android devices out there, because they have to adjust their own software because their skins on top of stock Android, and this is just stock Android. So yeah, the 7a, it's like supposed to be like the budget model, similar to the Galaxy S23 FE Fan Edition. This is like the budget model, takes the best features from the flagship and discounts the price a little bit. And they kind of remove some of the features that they feel are not like 100% necessary for the consumer. So like in this case, the Pixel 7, Pixel 7 Pro is 120 hertz. Pixel 7 was 90 hertz. They changed it on the 8, both 120 hertz, but on this phone, it's 90 hertz, so it's smoother display, but not quite 120. The Pixel 6a, just for context, was 60 hertz. Got a bunch of complaints from people about that, and they ended up updating it here, upgrading it, and boosting up to 90 to make the experience even smoother. By the way, that's the equivalent of the iPhone 15, which costs $800, and this phone's literally $374. I think we also need to just like take a step back and realize like how budget friendly this phone is. Like $374 for a semi flagship mid range phone is crazy. And the fact that you get like, I know they advertise battery life. I haven't used this phone specifically, so I can't really comment on it, but let's just assume it gets 24-hour battery life. Like that's solid battery. It's also adaptive. And I know Google gets some flack for their battery life, like over time, like the longevity of it. But 120 gigabytes of storage, which is tons of storage, and 90 hertz display. Get access to Google's, stock Android, the updates, the phenomenal camera, USB Type-C, wireless charging, nice premium design and feel, AI features listed here like photo unblur, Magic Eraser, and Night Sight. Now, I am not a big fan of altering photos because it kind of distorts what a photo even is and what reality even is. So I'm actually anti like altering photos using artificial intelligence. When it comes to the content of the photo, I don't really care about you adjusting colors or brightness. Like that's fine. But yeah, like when you start like playing with objects and moving it around, and that just distorts reality, in my opinion. I don't like it. You can comment down below if you disagree with me, but yep, you get access to Google's VPN, Google TensorChip G2. I didn't really mention that. I don't know why. I just forgot. That was basically the latest version of Google's TensorChip. I'm blanking. They haven't come out with the 10 have. I need to double check that. I'm like blanking on what the Pixel 8 has. I believe it's also, it might be Tensor G3. Yeah, I think it is Tensor. So this is one generation, but I mean, the claim to fame for this chip in particular was battery life and efficiency. It wasn't really like speed, but for 374, you can't really complain. You're getting the same chip as last year's flagship, so who cares? 8 gigabytes of RAM too. That's more RAM than the iPhone has. 6.1 inches, so decent sized screen with that front-facing cutout selfie, dual camera, wide and ultra wide. Very boxy, sort of Samsung Note design. Not the most comfortable, in my opinion, since this is based on the Pixel 7. Wasn't a huge fan of that design. A little too sharp, in my opinion. They rounded it out with the Pixel 8, which I really appreciated, and it's unlocked for all carriers. It's a bit misleading here when they say unlocked for all characters, and then it says wireless network technology, GSM, and then down here it's like unlocked for everything. So a little bit confusing there because it's like, oh, is this only available for GSM? But it's technically unlocked for everything. And yeah, I mean, has face unlock, fingerprint scanner too. 5G. I really can't complain about this phone at all. Granted, take this with a grain of salt. Honestly, I was just here to do a high-level overview and show you guys the discounts that are going on. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thank you for all the support recently. You guys are the best, and I will see you guys in the next video from Tech with Scott. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone. Peace out. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.